geopolitical canvas of the world and region, the existing global security scenario, coupled with the evolving dynamics of air warfare, call for enhanced partnership between Pakistan and China, as indeed our armed forces. It is heartening that with the every passing year, Pakistan-China friendship becomes stronger and stronger. In this regard, CPAC is a game changer and a manifestation of our common objectives and destiny.
当前，国际和地区战略格局深刻演变，安全形势日趋复杂，时代召唤我们两国两军共同维护地区和平稳定，共同携手应对各类安全挑战。
At present, international and regional strategic situation is undergoing profound changes, with growing complexity in security environment. This era calls for the collaboration of our two countries and two armed forces to join hands in maintaining regional peace and stability and cope with various security challenges.